Hey guys, welcome to another video with Boss Babe Nickie. Oh yes, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started. So guys, I'm going to look after some Jamaican stew piece today for you all. See, I got my pigtail all cut up and I'm going to add also some chicken foot, some here, and I'm gonna wash my meat, soak them. Okay, I'm so excited guys, yay. Yes, so I'm gonna boil for a few. As you can see, I just had some seasoning to help tenderize my meat. I'm going to set on the peas now. So I'm going to wash and then sink the peas. Okay guys? Yes. So guys, I'm going to sink the peas now. It's a Jamaican term, sink the peas. I wash out the pot because this pot I'm going to use. And when it boil up and the peas rise up, you go sink it and then you add the meat back to it. So yeah. See, peas surface on the top, so I'm going to sink it now. Okay, so I've combined the peas with the meat of the pigtail and the chicken foot, and I'm going to leave it to cook. As you can see guys, my pot is coming together. Yeah, these are some ground seasoning I'm going to add, and also my flour. Also add those. This is gonna be so delicious guys. I'm so excited. I wish you guys could taste it. Look how beautiful my pot is. Oh, I'm just adding my coconut milk and my ground seasoning guys. Yay. Also a small slice of butter, and then give it a little stir. How beautiful is this? Also steam some rice guys, so you'll see that too. The aroma in my kitchen guys is amazing right now. I wish you guys could smell my pot right now. It's amazing. I'm gonna give it one last stir and then leave it to boil. So I'm gonna just cover up the pot now guys. My rice is finished steaming guys, and it turned out very well, as you can see. My stew peas is almost finished guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some garlic powder and meat seasoning, Maggi meat seasoning guys, just a little bit, because as you know, pigtail is a bit salt. Give it a last stir and leave it to simmer down. Okay, so I'm just here rinsing out this stuff while the food simmer down. Finishing look guys, is in the meat. Just gonna pour some drink guys and share my dinner and have my next dinner.